Hello! So today we are moving on with paleontologists. So we are working on craft and structure, which means the words that the author chose to write with, how they put them together, what sentences they chose, because the way that the author wrote makes a difference in how we understand it. I'm going to tell you again, reread this please before we start for comprehension, vocabulary, and fluency. It's the best thing you can do for your brain. Okay? Reread about dinosaurs, mystery solver, and paleontology. Then, number 1, cite evidence to explain the meaning of the word extinct. So this is working on our vocabulary. The word extinct. Okay, so if I look under mystery solver, so why are paleontologists important? They solve mysteries of our planet's past. Their studies help us learn about changes. They discover why plants and animals disappeared. This helps us fix future problems. Objects they study have been extinct for millions of years. They find plants and animals that are no longer living on Earth. Okay, so if you want to know what the word extinct means, 1, look at how it's used in the sentence. Objects they study have been extinct for millions of years. If you think about millions of years, guys, that is a long, long, long time. So you have to know that something that's extinct has something to do with a long time. Okay, there's some kind of connection there. It also says they find plants and animals that are no longer living on Earth. So when it's this sentence helps to explain more about this previous one. So I'm going to give you 2 hints. 1 is that extinct has something to do with it being a very long time. Millions of years is a long time. The other hint is that if it's talking about finding plants and animals that no longer are living on Earth, that they don't exist anymore, that might help you understand the word extinct. So I'm going to give you a sentence starter. The word extinct means, and then tell me what it means. The evidence is that, tell me what the evidence is. What do you see inside these words? Be like, oh, well, this one word gave me a hint, and this part of the sentence helps my brain to know because blah, blah, blah. Okay? How do you know what the word extinct means? So the word extinct means blank. The evidence is that blank. And of course, if you want to write it a little bit differently, it's up to you guys. I'm just giving you some ideas. What is the meaning of the word exist? Okay. So if we come up to this first section called dinosaurs, paleontologists are scientists. They have an interesting job. Although dinosaurs no longer exist, we know about them because of paleontologists. So if you were going to take the word exist out and put a different synonym in there, what might it be? That would help you understand exist. Although dinosaurs no longer eat, we know about them because of paleontologists. That doesn't make sense. Although dinosaurs no longer are scary, we know about them because of paleontologists. That doesn't... Although dinosaurs no longer are alive, we know about them because of paleontologists. Maybe no longer are around. So in this, if there's a word that you don't know, part of what vocabulary is using context clues. Figure out what the whole paragraph is talking about. And then think, okay, if I was going to take this word out, what's a different word that I do know that if I put it in, it would make sense? So, exist means what? Because, why? What does exist means? How do you know that? Just like the first one. They're just different words. It's giving you more practice because honestly, guys, this is a skill that doesn't matter how old you are. You still learn how to use context clues. All right, number 3. Write about how the text features of headings help you with this text. Okay, so the headings are dinosaurs, mystery solver, and paleontology. Each of these are headings. Why do you think they called it this dinosaurs? Paleontologists are scientists. They have an interesting job. Although dinosaurs no longer exist, we know about them because of paleontologists. Then mystery solver. So why are paleontologists important? They solve mysteries of our planet's past. Their studies help us learn about changes. They discover why plants and animals disappeared. They help us fix future problems. Objects they study have been extinct for millions of years. They find plants and animals that are no longer living on Earth. And down here, paleontology. Paleontology has not changed a lot. Long ago and today, paleontologists use shovels, picks, and other hand tools. Today, they also find fossils by using technology. They use satellites and computers. Now they even use machines. Do you want to be a paleontologist when you grow up? How does reading these headings help you know what the next sections are going to be about? So you can make a connection between the heading and what that paragraph is about. The headings help me understand each paragraph because, tell me why they help you. Why do the headings help you understand each paragraph? And the last one, what is the author's purpose for writing about paleontologists? So is the author writing to give you information, to give you facts and details? Is the author writing to persuade, to get you to do something or to believe something? Or is the author writing for entertainment, to give you a story that you enjoy? So tell me what the author's purpose is and how you know that. All right, guys, good luck.